Introducing ClaudHub, a powerful AI platform that gives you access to Anthropic's Claude models, including Pro, Max, and Enterprise-level intelligence, all from one dashboard. Once you log in, you enter a clean, powerful dashboard designed for speed and simplicity. Everything you need, right in front of you. With ClaudHub AI Chat, you can ask questions, generate ideas, write content, and get human-like intelligent responses instantly. Start a new conversation. Select any Claude model based on your needs and start chatting. Need content? The AI writer creates sales pages, emails, ads, blog posts, all in seconds. Turn your text into natural voiceovers, perfect for videos, ads, and content creation. Over the past year, something unexpected happened. A new AI started outperforming almost everything else on the market. That AI is built by Anthropic, and it's called Claude. So what makes Claude so powerful? Claude isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to think deeper, understand context better, and produce more human-like, high-quality outputs. Create stunning visuals, thumbnails, and graphics with powerful AI image generation built in. So if you're ready to work smarter, create faster, and unlock real AI power, get ClaudHub now.